Alright guys, I need your help. I got my father-in-law's 1968 GTO here. He bought this thing new in 68, so he's had it ever since. But as you can see, he parked it like 20 years ago and hasn't touched it since. He planned on rebuilding it because he was a mechanic. He taught me a lot of what I know today. But now he's to the age where he can't do it anymore, and so they're going to get rid of it. I have no idea what this thing's worth. I mean, there's some surface rust on it, but out here in Arizona, I mean, these things will stay, you know, pretty well preserved. So I need your help. I need to know how much this thing's worth, how much we could even ask for something like this. Still got the original motor in here, or engine, I should say. And you can see, I mean, the paint's chewed up. This thing needs to be taken all the way down, stripped all the way down to bare metal and started again. That looks like the rear glass. The rest of the glass is intact. It is missing the windshield, it looks like, though. I don't think he has that. You can see this thing just needs to be redone. It needs some TLC. You can see what the interior looks like now. Needs a lot of love. Oh, but it's got a squeak equalizer. Look at that. So there you can see what she looks like. If I had the time and a place in my garage to put this and restore it, I would, but I don't. So unfortunately, he doesn't remember anything about this vehicle anymore, and my mother-in-law doesn't know anything about it. The only thing we know is that he's had it ever since it was new. So give me a hand. Tell me how much this thing is worth. Appreciate the help, guys. As always, thank you.